Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I will show you the steps to extend the volume size on your Windows 10, 11 and other. Okay, as I will show you in my Windows, this D drive is full and I want to extend this size to get more options. Okay, my D drive is full now. You can see here it's red and I want to extend the size of D drive here. So similarly, you can extend the size of C drive and F drive. Okay, I will show you how you can extend the drive size. Right click on it, start menu, and then you will see the option of disk management. And for the Windows 11, press Window plus R button together, and this command will work on all the versions. Type as disk mg empty.msc, open it. You will get the disk management same page here. Okay, once you are on a disk management page, you need to look for your drive which you want to extend. Now in my case, I want to increase the size of D drive. Here, if you want to increase any drive size, you need to make sure that you have unallocated space to next to the drive. Okay, in my case, my drive is D and I want to increase the size of D. So you can see here I'm not getting the extend volume option, since first I have to delete that K drive here. So I will right click on the K and click on delete volume, click on yes. Now the D drive and the unallocated space is next to D, so I can easily extend the size of D drive. So I will do that. Right click on the D drive. Now you can see I'm getting the option extend volume. Click on the extend volume, click on next. Now you can see, select the amount of the space in the MB. It is by default selected 7052. It means almost 8. It is almost 7 GB. So 7 GB I can extend that. Next, finish. Now I can see the size has been changed and has been increased. Now I will show you here. Let me refresh. Now you can see the drive size has been changed, D drive, and it is not red now. So this is very easy, but it is sometimes it is very complicated. Make sure the unallocated space is next to your drive which you want to increase and extend the volume of that drive. Okay, so this is how you can increase the size of your drive. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.